Hare Krishna. Today is the most auspicious appearance day of Vrakreshwar Pandit. Vrakreshwar Pandit is one of the very close associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It is explained that when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Navadvip, when he took sannyas, and after sannyas when he came to Jagannath Puri, in all the places Vrakreshwar Pandit was present. So the birthplace of Vrakreshwar Pandit is a village called Gupti Praya. This is a sangam of 3 rivers. So in the Gaur Ganodesha Deepika, it is explained that Vrakreshwar Pandit is actually an incarnation of Aniruddha, one of the quadruple expansions of Vishnu. So Vrakreshwar Pandit's most famous service was to chant, sing and dance. It is explained he is one of the chief dancers in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Sankirtan Leela. And when Vrakreshwar Pandit would dance, he would dance for 72 hours continuous. That means for 3 days continuous he would dance. So this was the love and devotion that he had for the Sankirtan movement. So when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu goes to Ramkeli to meet Rupa and Sanatan, that time Vrakreshwar Pandit is also there with him. So there is a very important pastime which shows the glory of Vrakreshwar Pandit. One time there was a great speaker of Bhagavat called Devananda Pandit. So one time, and Devananda Pandit was giving a Bhagavatam class in Navadvip, and Shrivas Pandit comes to hear his Bhagavatam class because Shrivas wanted to listen Krishna Katha. But what happened was, as Shrivas Pandit was sitting in the Bhagavatam class, he experienced great symptoms of ecstasy, Krishna Prem, he started to cry, and all the disciples of Devananda, they thought that Shrivas is disturbing the class. So they took him and put him out of the venue. They literally threw him out. And Devanand Pandit didn't object. So this was a great offense that Devanand Pandit committed. A big Vaishnava aparadh. So it is explained when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu performed his Mahaprakash Leela in Shrivas Angan. That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told the devotees, this is a great offense that Devanand Pandit has committed towards Shrivas Thakur. Because Shrivas Thakur was so dear to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructs the devotees about who should hear Bhagavatam, who should speak Bhagavatam and what should be the mood. So he explains that if one studies Bhagavatam but doesn't respect a devotee Bhagavat, his study of Bhagavatam will not be fruitful. Even if one studies for hundreds and hundreds of kalpas, one will not get the benefit. Because a devotee Bhagavat and the book Bhagavat are not different. Devanand Pandit was expert in speaking on Bhagavatam, but he didn't know how to respect a devotee Bhagavat like Shrivas Pandit. So this was a great offense on his part. But one time, Vrakreshwar Pandit comes to an area in Navadvip called Kulia. And there, he was there in one of the house of a devotee. And he started to do Kirtan. And he did Kirtan for 6 hours continuous. Vrakreshwar Pandit was dancing, singing. So, Devanand Pandit gets inspiration to go there. And seeing the dancing of Vrakreshwar Pandit, he's so fascinated. Devanand Pandit stays there only. And there's a huge crowd that comes to see the dance of Vrakreshwar Pandit. And Devanand Pandit, with a stick, he holds the crowd away. And in this way, he does service to Vrakreshwar Pandit. And after 6 hours of Kirtan, when Vrakreshwar Pandit sits down, Devanand Pandit comes and offers obeisances unto his lotus feet. So that time Vrakreshwar Pandit blesses Devanand Pandit that may you have Krishna Prem very soon. And from that day on, the bhakti of Devanand Pandit started to grow. Because bhakti is received only by the mercy of another devotee. So Devanand Pandit did offense to Shrivas, but when he did service to Vrakreshwar Pandit, his offense got nullified. And after some time, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from Jagannath Puri, he comes to Navadvip, he comes to this place called Kulia, and there he meets Devanand Pandit. And he tells Devanand Pandit, because you have rendered service to Vrakreshwar Pandit, now I consider you to be my very own. So Vrakreshwar Pandit was so dear to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he's telling Devanand Pandit, I have forgiven you because you did service to Vrakreshwar Pandit. And Vrakreshwar Pandit, so this is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorifying Vrakreshwar Pandit. Says Vrakreshwar Pandit is completely absorbed in Krishna Prem. He is an empowered devotee. And Krishna resides in his heart. Therefore, because Krishna resides in his heart and because Krishna dances in his heart, Vrakreshwar Pandit can dance for so long. And wherever Vakreshwar Pandit goes, wherever he gives his association, that place becomes a place of pilgrimage. Who is glorifying this? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is glorifying Vakreshwar Pandit. So this is the position of Vakreshwar Pandit. So Vrindavan Das Thakur explains in the Chaitanya Bhagavat the glories of Vakreshwar Pandit, and then he explains that when Vakreshwar Pandit he's there in the Navdeep pastime, and when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes to Jagannath Puri after sannyas, Vakreshwar Pandit also comes. So it is explained in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, among all the devotees who were constantly there with the Lord in Jagannath Puri, Paramananda Puri, Swarup Damodar, they were the main. Along with that, Gadadhar, Jagdananda, Shankara, Vakreshwara, Damodar Pandit, Haridas Thakur, Raghunath Vaidya, Raghunath Das, all these personalities were there. So Vakreshwar Pandit's love for the Lord was so much, he didn't want to be separated from the Lord. In fact, it is explained, Vakreshwar Pandit would stay in the house of Kashi Mishra. This is where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would stay, in his room in Gambhira. That is where Vakreshwar Pandit lived, and he established the deity of Radha Kanta. So this deity of Radha Krishna called Radha Kanta is still there in the house of Kashi Mishra, in this place called Gambhira. So Vakreshwar Pandit had a disciple called Gopal Guru Goswami. He was a young boy, but he had great love for Krishna. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally named this boy Gopal Guru Goswami. So Gopal Guru became the disciple of Vakreshwar Pandit. And Gopal Guru Goswami had a disciple called Dhyan Chandra Goswami. And Dhyan Chandra Goswami in his book he writes the glories of Vakreshwar Pandit. He explains that Vakreshwar Pandit in Vrindavan Leela, he was a gopi called Tunga Vidya. And Tunga Vidya, her service was singing and dancing. So the same Tunga Vidya comes in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela to assist Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Vakreshwar Pandit. And as I told you, the main assistance was singing and dancing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu loved the kirtan and the dancing of Vakreshwar Pandit. Even during the Rath Yatra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made him the lead dancer. Even during the disappearance day of Haridas Thakur, Vakreshwar Pandit was leading the kirtan. So this is in essence the glories of Vakreshwar Pandit. So we can all pray to this great personality who had so much love for Krishna, so much love for the Sankirtan movement, so much love for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that he can also bestow his mercy upon all of us. Hare Krishna. Vakreshwar Pandit ki jai.